So is Pi Network a scam? My conclusion is that it isn't a scam because all you do is you own your form, you mine your crypto by pressing the button, and then in theory, you get tokens on your phone, eventually able to swap them for cash. How much cash? We don't know. Guys, remember your support is important to me. Share my video and make sure you watch to the end. Check my description for the mining apps, link that you meet in 2024. We need to make money together this year, just like ICE Network. Let's get back to business. I'm going to go through some things now. What has changed is various things in the background with Pi Network, and they said they want to release his token in 2024. So it is saying that for them to launch this token, there are certain prerequisites they need to hit for it to launch. What are these? So if I make myself clear, we'll go through them. Finish any open network preparation work in technology, product, business, and legal. Following the consistent strategies of Pi Network, most technical and product milestones of such preparation work are listed on different projects in the V2 roadmap, also released today. Except for working on the business and legal side, the V2 roadmap also excludes some technical and product milestones due to security reasons or because they relate to stealth projects that are meant to be published later. The V2 roadmap released today will be further supplemented and published later on. The status of milestones, whether in history and progress or in future pipeline, will be released throughout the year. So we'll get that one up as well. Now with this, the issue I have with this is they're talking about the legal side. We've seen what was up with other coins. We've got XRP and the SEC. We've got, that was Richard Harlan, and we've got the SC. And my concern is that I think Pi Network is worried about what may potentially happen if they're launched with the CC. Now we've got the new roadmap here, and it's showing what we're up to here. We have been stuck since December 2021 and is on here. All right, forget all this, figured all this stuff here. This is the main thing that Aaron keeps talking about, which is the KYC. And this tells all Ace to do. So we'll do all the basic stuff any way that they want to do. So they want to do this legal stuff. And once I've done that is the first condition. Second condition is to achieve the following goals in the network KYC migration and utility creation. This condition is consistent with the enclosed network objectives from the updated roadmap chapter of the Pi white paper published December 21st, over 2 years ago, such as reaching critical mass of KYC identity verified pioneers on the MAP blockchain, and having diverse utilities of the Pi cryptocurrency in the Pi ecosystem. These objectives are paramount to the success of the open network and ecosystem, in line with Pi's vision to build the world's most inclusive, peer-to-peer ecosystem and online experience fueled by Pi. The targeting milestones below specify what these enclosed network goals mean in concrete terms. Specific targets: 15 million pioneers of Pascal, including fully intensive KYC, and then million pioneers have migrated to the mainnet. Utility: 100 real Pi apps that are on the mainnet or may not readily comply with the Pi platform policies, solve a true need, bring utility to the Pi ecosystem, and are a distant application as a reference data. There are 8 million that are KYC at the moment, 3.9 million migrated in 40 real Pi apps. Now, an issue with when you're launching Pi Network and it being available for actual cash, where's the money coming from? Because if you think about it, when a cryptocurrency launches, is usually, so you'll have an ICO or you'll have it launched on an exchange and you'll exchange your money, which is fiat currency in dollars or whatever, and you'll swap it for the cryptocurrency. And depending on how much demand there is, how much circulation there is, it will then get a value on its price. But this Pi Network has got people's power network balance from mining this crypto for a long time. I think 2019, it came about, so 5 years this year. So you've got people who've been mining this for 5 years. You know, so they're due to be able to, swap the Pi for cash. And the amount of people that have Pi, it's going to be interesting to see how this all works because there's nothing ever been done like this before. So will these targets be met? We'll see. 3, the absence of an unfavorable external environment would hinder the success of the open network. So basically they want the same here. The factors that are unpredictable include macroeconomic crises, unfavorable legal or regulatory developments, industry uncertainties, pandemics, walls, or any of the unpredictable. Now, I'm not being funny, but can you name 1 year in all of economic history? And I mean, going back the last 100 years where there was not any macroeconomic crisis, legal or regulatory developments with anything in finance, industry uncertainties, pandemics, or unpredictable external factors. Can you name any year ever that has not been one of these things? Because going back in history, there's always something. In my opinion, it hasn't prevented other cryptocurrencies from launching. We've seen a lot of cryptocurrencies launch in the bear market. This time, a lot of them doing well, a lot of them making money. So I just, this doesn't, although you've got specific targets with this, for example, with, you've not really got with the first one because you don't know exactly what they're looking for. So it's quite vague as to what statistics condition 2 are specific. So you know when they're going to reach these particular ones. But again, number 3, condition 3, is not specific. It's not specific what this means because it doesn't specifically mean anything. That statement. And, you know, you could argue a number of factors as to what is favorable or not. Because at the end of the day, there was a bull market in 2021, which was a favorable time to launch this product. But that's me. What is quite interesting as well is if you look at the price, last time I looked at this, it was $30. And now it's $1. And is this real? I don't know because it's an IOU. Well, it's mean the prices you can possibly buy on one of these exchanges, but it's an IOU. So when it actually comes out, the price will be different from what it is. You know what you bought it at, so you could buy it $1 and these, and it could actually be worth 1 cent when it launches. You bought it $1, and when it's available to sell, it could be $100. You just don't know. But this is quite interesting to see. And if you're watching this now and you have 2,000 Pi, does that mean you're able to get $2,000 at the end of it? I just don't understand where this money is coming from and how they're going to satisfy the needs of these people. Nonetheless, I'm going to keep my app. We are going to stop here for now. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you all in my next video.